Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Chrome is up to date and you're signed into the Google profile that will own the extension. Open Chrome, click the three dots, then Help About Google Chrome to force updates. Once done, verify your profile avatar at the top right. Switch if needed. These steps avoid installing into the wrong account or an outdated browser, which can cause permissions or compatibility issues later, so handle them now before you search for the extension. You'll now locate the Gmail extension in the Chrome Web Store. Type the exact extension name into the search bar to reduce lookalikes, then open the detail page. Read the permissions list to understand data access and the developer name so you don't install a fake. Check last updated date and recent reviews to confirm active maintenance. Once you're comfortable, click Add to Chrome. This pre-step reduces surprises and ensures the extension You complete installation by accepting permission prompts and watching for the extension icon to appear in the toolbar. Click the icon to sign in, grant any Gmail access, and adjust settings like notifications or shortcuts. Once configured, test by composing or opening an email to verify behavior. If the extension fails, make sure Gmail is reloaded, disable conflicting extensions, or reinstall. These steps usually resolve extension conflicts or stale cached permissions. Keep your Chrome
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.